Be ready. 5 seconds to go. Start. By this appeal, the State of Maharashtra has challenged the judgment and order dated 30th July 2002 passed by the learned Third Ad Hoc Assistant Sessions Judge Sangli in Sessions Case number 73 of 2002. Stop. The respondent number 1 was the original accused number 1. Stop. The respondent numbers 2 and 3 are his parents. Stop. All the accused were charged for commission of the offences punishable under section 498A and 306 read with 34 of the IPC. Stop. At the conclusion of the trial, the learned judge was pleased to acquit all of them. Stop. The state of Maharashtra has preferred this appeal against the said judgment and order of acquittal passed by the trial court. Stop. Though the appeal was preferred against all the accused, the appeal was specifically admitted as against the respondent number 1, who was the original accused number 1. Stop. The prosecution case is that the deceased Nanda was married to the respondent number 1 on 1st July 1998. Stop. They had a daughter from the wedlock. Stop. It is the case of the prosecution that Nanda was ill-treated by all the accused on the ground that she was not cooking properly and also on the ground that the respondent number 1 was having illegal relationship with his sister-in-law, that is, wife of his brother. Stop. It was alleged that the accused number 1 wanted to take divorce from Nanda. Stop. As per the prosecution case, on 5th June 2001, Nanda's grandfather and maternal cousin had visited her at the matrimonial house and they found that a quarrel was going on between all the accused and Nanda. Stop. The grandfather and her cousin tried to pacify the parties and then they left from there. Stop. It is the prosecution case that in the late evening, Nanda's grandfather received a telephone call that Nanda had consumed poison. Stop. Therefore, they again came back to her village. Stop. When they reached there, they found that she was shifted to civil hospital Sangli, where she had already expired. Stop. On the next day at about 5 p.m., FIR was lodged by PW1, who was the maternal grandfather of the deceased. Stop. The investigation was carried out. Stop. Postmortem was conducted. Stop. Viscera report showed presence of poison. Stop. The accused numbers 1 and 2 were arrested on 8 June 2001. Stop. The accused number 3 had obtained anticipatory bail subsequently. Stop. At the conclusion of the investigation, charge sheet was filed. Stop. As the case was exclusively triable by the Court of Sessions, it was committed to the Court of Sessions for trial. Stop. The charge sheet was framed against all the 3 accused under section 498A and 306 read with 34 of the IPC. Stop. All the accused pleaded not guilty to the charge. Stop. During trial, the prosecution examined 4 witnesses. Stop. PW1 was the maternal grandfather of the deceased Nanda. Stop.